How to solve the Recaptcha problem in Omegle laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve the Recaptcha problem in Omegle in laptop. First of all, open up omegle.com in the web browser. Now tap on the Start Chatting by clicking on the video option. Then click the check boxes and tap to confirm and continue. After that, you are ready to chat with strangers. But as you can see, it's showing some kind of error with the camera. To resolve this problem, open up a new tab and click on three dots from the top right corner and go into History from here. Now from History, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Then set the time range to all time and click to clear data. After that, open up the new tab and search here Omegle. Then click to open its site. Once you get into its site, tap to start chatting with the video option. Take the check boxes and click to confirm and continue. If you're still having the same issue, then check out your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a good network. Or you can disconnect your internet, then reconnect it, and hopefully it will solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.